Here we have a lovely roof job. You can see my colleagues on the roof with the roof ladder applying chemical, which we know as a biocide, which will kill and attack all the moss and growth of algae or any sort of biological feature on the roof. We will restore the whole roof today, bringing back its colour, removing all of moss and rejuvenate all the tiles and bringing a new lease of life. You can see the chemical being applied there. We'll leave it to sit for an hour or two and let this do its work. MC Pressure Washing, keep posted. Thank you very much.